What's up guys, welcome to this new episode. So if your Chrome says needs storage access to download files, I'll be showing you just the steps you need to take to get past through this issue and download your files on your Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. So before going to the steps, let me show you how this issue looks like, just so you can know I'm facing the same thing. So I'll be opening a site just to show you that I'm unable to download files from there. Let's say I want to download WhatsApp Business, so just follow the steps to download. So let me just click this download. Okay, so this is the issue that pops up. Chrome needs storage access to download files, and the fix for this is very easy. So to resolve this issue, you just need to click on this continue right here, and then you click this allow. You check this allow, and there you go. You should be able to download the file right away. So let me confirm this download to show you that it downloads. So this is the file that is currently downloading right now, as you can see, and the file has even completed downloading. So alternatively, if you don't want to go through that step, or if you don't want to go through the process of searching for the file you want to download before even giving the storage access, what you can do is you just come to your device settings, click on apps and notification. It might be different in your case. Select Chrome, and then you select these permissions. Okay, you will see that the storage permission isn't actually toggled on, so you just want to toggle that on, and then you download your files once more. Okay, so let's say I want to download this other file again. This is a different file, so I just click on download, and the download starts immediately. So for your best of references, I've provided a link in the video description that explains the complete process in a written guide, so you want to check that out. So we've come to the end of our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap that notification bell down below to not miss any coming content from us. So I catch you in the next episode.